All right, we're at another renovation down here on a house we're getting ready to get completed. I'll flip the camera around here. So this house, we had to come in and do all new electric, all new drywall, lights, baseboard, flooring. So it's all new mechanicals. This was, we bought this house, it had been sitting for almost 2 years. So we bought it from the church and did almost a complete gut and renovation to it. So it's 1899 build, and we brought it up to date for 2022. So this is the master bedroom. We added this bathroom. So this used to be a closet inside of a closet for whatever reason. There's the closet. And they've actually got another closet back here that we ended up keeping. So a little different setup, but it's functional. Family room. There's Rob, best plumber in Northern Kentucky. Got all the appliances, all the cabinetry. There's Dustin. So the before and after, we'll send those pictures out. All new bathroom. This had a hole in the roof, leaking for over a year. All new subfloor had to be replaced. There was quite a bit going into this. Didn't have a laundry room, so we added a laundry room here. It'd be a double stack. And then it's got another little outside porch area. So this is in a pretty good part of town. Safe, functional, it's clean. So here we go. Send out before and after pictures. Dustin, you got anything else?
Do another one.
Do another one. That's it. See you guys.